Hi, in this video we will see how WebHarvy can be used to scrape data from target.com. So the first step is to load the website within WebHarvy's browser, and then we can navigate to the page from which we wish to scrape data. Now you can either perform a search or directly go to the category of products which you are interested in. So for this example, we are going to scrape products listed under makeup gifts. You can also scrape data from multiple categories in a single configuration using the category scraping feature of a WebHarvy. So right now we will scrape the list of products that are displayed under a single category, and to select the data we will start the configuration by clicking the start button. You can now click and select the data which we need. Let's start with the pagination. So click on the link to load the next page and set as next page link so that WebHarvy knows how to load multiple pages and scrape the data which we select for each product. Let's scroll back up and start with the name of the products. You can also get the price. You can also get the URL of the product details page. Now let's follow the product link to load the details page from where we can select additional data. So this would be the category path, and you can highlight the required portion with the mouse in case you don't want the full block of text. Rating, use. We'll see how WebHarvy can scrape product images. So click on the image. You can straight away go to capture image and scrape the clicked image. But suppose I wish to scrape all the images on this product page. Go to the capture HTML option, and you can see this is the full resolution image. So apply regular expression from the drop down, select get image URL from HTML. Now to get the full size image, make very small change and apply. And click on the capture HTML image option. Select download image. So multiple images were not scraped. So go to advanced minor options and set low for the capture. And I can repeat the same steps. Now WebHarvy asks whether to scrape multiple images. Select yes. Images. Scroll down and click the about this item heading, and use the capture command text option. This will be the about product. And once you have selected all the required details, you can stop configuration. You can now optionally save the configuration so that it can be run later or edited to make changes. And now we will start mine. We'll click the start mine button, and this will bring up the capture miner window. Click the start, and WebHarvy will ask for it to save downloaded images. And WebHarvy will now load the same category page for which we created the configuration, and it will start pulling the data of the products, including images. So as you can see, the downloaded images are saved to the directory which we selected at the start of the mining. And this will continue for all the products on the page, and then it will proceed to the next page of listings. Hope you find this video useful. In case you have any questions, please let us know at support@webharvy.com. Thank you.